Hey guys, David here, and welcome to Digital Outlook. And boy, do we have a show for you today. XRP ETF around the corner. So guys, let's get to it. So guys, I'm getting a lot of questions from folks about getting an off-ramp, and a lot of folks want to know what Judy and I do. Well, I'll tell you what, guys, Judy and I use a broker. Now, why we use a broker is because in the bull run that we were a part of, when things would really tick off, a lot of these exchanges would hitch and glitch and they would go down for hours. Well, do you think when they were down that you could that this market somehow stopped trading? Not on your life. So what Judy and I did is we signed up with Caleb and Brown. And guys, this is who Caleb and Brown is right here. Now, Caleb and Brown are a digital asset broker. They're stationed out of Australia, but they have offices around the world, and especially over here on the western side, Canada, US, and what. And the thing is this, with Caleb and Brown, it costs you nothing to open up an account, and you don't even have to hold your assets there. You don't pay any fees for opening an account. You don't pay fees for talking to a broker. Hey, you don't even pay fees if you decide to custody your assets with Caleb and Brown. The only fee that you pay is when you buy or when you sell. Now, guys, for Judy and I, like I said, we have been with them for some time now, and we have had no issues. And so I'll tell you what, we do have a link right down there in the description of all our videos to Caleb and Brown. You can use that link to sign up with them. And if you do, guys, they're going to, just full transparency, they pay us a referral fee. But whether you use that link or not, they're well worth checking out. And you can even go on their website, get their phone number, give them a call. Guys, these folks are absolutely major in this space. A lot of people use them, and they're total professionals. So if you want to get an answer to those questions, and I'm getting lots of questions about them, guys, that's your answer. Go follow up and see if Caleb and Brown is right for you. So guys, one thing we know about this digital asset space, it is literally a hive for scuttlebutt like nobody's business. That is for sure. And lately we have been hearing some major buzzing going on in this space about some big time deals. Now guys, just take a look at this article right over here. XRP price explosion to unfathomable heights in the offing as Uphold exec says spot exchange traded fund for XRP is nigh. Just listen to this. While Bitcoin has notched a new all-time high after a new all-time high in recent weeks, Ripple's XRP has been lagging, still some 80% lower than its 2018 record high. What a way to start it, especially since we've seen some major moves in XRP just in the last few days. However, XRP's fortunes could soon change with the likely arrival of spot exchange-traded funds amid increased development efforts in the coin's ecosystem. According to head of research at Uphold Exchange, Martin Heisbeck, according to head of research at Uphold Exchange, Martin Heisbeck, the price of XRP snapped its losing streak on Monday when the Ripple promoted token jumped over 25%, smashing numerous resistance barriers to register a new yearly peak above 74 cents. This increase in XRP's value has not only attracted the attention of investors, but also ignited debates around the future of the sixth largest cryptocurrency, specifically regarding the possible launch of a US-based spot exchange-traded fund. And guys, this has been on the table for the last few months now. In fact, you had Brad Garlinghouse coming out there saying he believes that there will literally be baskets of these digital assets in exchange-traded funds, and certainly would welcome an exchange-traded fund for XRP. Now, Uphold's head of research, Martin Heisbeck, has been rather outspoken about the developments of the XRP ecosystem. Commenting on the token's latest bullish price action, Heesbeck attributed the upward momentum to increased development on XRP since the lawsuit was settled. Now, the development he was talking about, of course, are the AMM, the automated market maker, the clawback, the various things that have been happening, which is a major, major deal. Now, in terms of the lawsuit settling, he was referring to the regulatory clarity Ripple and XRP gained in 2023 when Judge Annalisa Torres said, hey, XRP on the the exchanges in the secondary market is not a security. Now, Heesbeck further hinted at an incoming XRP-based ETF. Positioning, we are finally seeing the fruits of increased development on XRP since the lawsuit was settled. An XRP exchange-traded product is around the corner too. There is life in the old girl. Now, I think that they've made a misprint there because he was definitely saying an ETF. But guys, just to give you a little clarity here, an exchange-traded fund is absolutely an exchange-traded product. Now, an exchange-traded product could be, various different things, but an ETF is absolutely an ETP. Now, Heesbeck, I put that right there. Now, last month, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse, there we go, also weighed in on the possibility of an XRP ETF hitting the market. Garlinghouse revealed that the blockchain payment startup would certainly welcome the investment product. The executive also observed that it is inevitable, get this, that there will be numerous exchange-traded funds around different crypto assets as investors would want to diversify their risk. Well, guys, just take a look at this article right here. Will the U.S. 100% approve an XRP ETF in 2024? Well, let's take a look and see what this guy has to say here. The price of XRP has rallied over 12.5% year to date, vastly underperforming top crypto rivals Bitcoin and Ethereum, which has surged 65 and 70% in the same period. Still, the lagging cryptocurrency may explode in coming months. XRP's potential to hit home runs this year takes cues from the growing buzz surrounding its exchange-traded product launch. For instance, Martin Heesbeck, the head of research at Uphold Exchange, says an exchange-traded fund is around the corner. Following the legal settlement between Ripple and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, and here's the tweet right here, we are finally seeing the fruits of increased development on XRP since the lawsuit was settled. An XRP ETP is around the corner too. There is life in the old girl. For Ripple partially won a legal battle against the SEC after the U.S. District Court found that its XRP sales on public crypto exchanges did not constitute illegal securities practices. Nonetheless, the court underlined that Ripple token sales to institutional investors broke securities laws in the U.S. The case now awaits final verdict. Actually, it's awaiting for final settlement. And this is the big deal, guys. We could literally see a settlement happen between Ripple and the SEC, and there's a lot of hints that something is rumbling under the table. And if that happens, and then that coincides with the launch of an XRP ETF, I think it is on like crazy. It's already showing signs of absolutely breaking out of that 6-year triangle that has squeezed it like that. And you think this is a coiled spring, how the suppression has been. And with that off the table, I think it could outperform practically every digital asset in this space. In fact, look what just happened this last week. When XRP decided to surge, what did it do? It shot off and blew the doors off of the top 100, became number one in the market when it did that in terms of percentage gains. Guys, we've been there before. We have seen it before. I think these developments are absolutely amazing. And should we see an XRP ETF, look what's happened with Bitcoin even prior to the halving, even today, what we're scratching up there and into price discovery today for Bitcoin, truly phenomenal. Has never happened in the history of this digital asset space. before the halving. But here we are. Guys, don't kid yourself. These major players and institutional investors, they know exactly what they're doing and where they want to take it. And I'll tell you what, guys, think about this. Do you think these billions upon billions of dollars that are moving through the XRP ecosystem each and every day, do you think that that's retail? Come on, guys. We know that it's not. Institutional investors are getting in and getting in hog heavy, to be sure. Don't miss it. You owe it to yourself to get out there and at least research it. For Judy and I, like I say, we have made our decision, and I cannot wait to be standing in that winner's circle when we literally cross that finish line, and I want you standing right there beside me. So guys, things are really hopping in this space, and one thing's for sure, you do not want to get left out in the cold without your plan in place when this next bull run literally explodes. And what our coaching program offers, that is where you and I can meet personally one-on-one for 1 hour over Zoom. And during that time, I share with you our personal journey in that last bull run and what enabled Judy and I to experience some amazing financial success. I share with you the mistakes we made so that you don't have to fall into the same pitfalls we did. We take a look at your portfolio and make sure that it's balanced towards your goals, and we work together to develop your exit strategy. We can even get your assets off an exchange and onto a hardware wallet, along with delivering to you some amazing techniques that are really going to help you in this space. Now, the cost of that is $250, and if that's something that interests you, you write me right there at coaching@thedigitaloutlook.com, and we'll get y'all booked in. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video today. And as you know, it's not financial advice. It's just my 2 cents. Hit the like and subscribe. Drop your comments down in the comment section, and I'll catch you in the next one.